Alright, it's another wonderful video from Elite Graphics. I'm so delighted to welcome you to the day 7 of the 30 days challenge, and I hope we have been gaining something from those 30 days project so far. In today's video, we'll be doing a product label for a cream, an hair remedy. So we're going to be working with pieces, but this was measured in inches. Alright, so I'll go back to this image size. I'm going to set the width. I'm going to set the width to 864. I'm going to set the height to 144. Yes, so this is how it looks like. I'm going to change the color, the background color, to not just color. I want to apply gradients. Yes, I want to apply gradients. So I'm going to start forming the gradient from here to this place, something like this. So the color is going to be, color on this side is going to be something whitish, like this. On this side, on this other side, I'm going to be taking something pinkish, purplish. Okay, something purplish like this. Yeah, I think this is okay. Okay, this is what I want to get. This is what I want to achieve. So rather than wasting time, I'll go on to create some boxes, some rectangles. Yeah, let me make use of the grid. Okay, so put on the grid. Yes, I have this there. I'll copy it to the other side also. So when I'm applying the color, I'll apply the gradients on them, the gradients I've created. Yes, again to the other side, the gradient I've created. So this is it. For this one, I want to flip it all the way back like this. Good. So the whitish parts, lighter parts, remains in the middle. I'll put off the grid. Okay, I'm already making something amazing already. So what I'm going to do is I'll pause the video while I add the images and the text. Then I will do the arrangement. So okay, maybe I can go on and add the image. Then when I'm adding the text, I'll pause the video so that you can join me when the texts are all visible. This is just to make sure that we don't waste much of our time on doing these things that I already know how to do. So I have like this. Good. Can you see that the size of the image is too big? But I'm going to reduce it. To match what I want. Something like this looks good. So that's what I will do. I'll also have the image on the other side. That's what I will do. Okay, I'll pause the video so I can join me when the texts are on the screen. Alright, so I have all the text on my screen now. Just for me to resize them and reposition them, and I feel we can do that together. So this is how I'm having them. Shift this way. For this, I want to be using a very curvy style test. We're looking for text that looks calibrate. Its style. Something like this, yes. This one should remain like this. This one, something bold like this. For this, I'll be using color. Color. Deeper. Yes. For these, I'll be using red. For this, I'll be using red. This red, and for this, using black. So then I want to add something to just draw the border like this, no fill, with little stroke. Take it here to cover. Look at the relative size, which is the width. Move it. So that looks good. I can now change this to red. Can I change this to red and change this to black? So it's looking so good now. On the other side, I have this, changing it to black, changing this to black. I think I'll need to reduce the size again. Changing this to black, and this also. Okay, I'll leave this at white. Just to make it bigger and more visible, because that will be like I think that's okay. So this is uses, and this is location. So I can easily duplicate this, edit text, call it uses, make it bold, bring uses up here, change it to white. Okay, duplicate it, alright. Since I am not changing anything on this stereo remedy, I can just as well group them together and take them to the other side of the label. So this is what I'm going to do, and be warned that this cannot be reversed if you save the job. If you save the project, this cannot be reversed. If you save the project, cannot be reversed. So be rest assured that before you use this trick, before you use it, everything is already set before you use it. So that is it. I'm done. I can now bring on the style for this. I can go back to the layers panel, check this, duplicate it. Yes, and have it like this. And with this, we've come to the end of the project. So beautiful. We have come to the end of today's project. And the next project will be learning how to mock this also, but we'll be using a different app, which is PS Touch. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you. Keep supporting me. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.